This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring your Mac meets the minimum macOS requirement and that you have a Microsoft account. Once done, open the App Store or Microsoft's installer and begin installing Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Make sure to grant permissions when prompted for documents and notifications so Office integrates properly. After installation, launch any Office app and sign in with your Microsoft account. This activates your license and syncs OneDrive. Now you're ready to create your first document and verify autosave is active. Next, configure file syncing and app preferences so your workflow is smooth. Start OneDrive, choose a local folder and enable files on demand to save disk space while keeping cloud access. Then open Word or Excel and adjust the ribbon, font defaults, and default save locations to your preference. Install any necessary add-ins for productivity and set auto recover to a short interval like 5 minutes so you don't lose work. Once configured, test saving a file to OneDrive and confirm it syncs across your devices. To finish, verify autosave is working, Office updates are current, and your license shows active under account. Save a final test file to OneDrive and open it on another device to confirm sync. If something goes wrong, try simple fixes. Quit Office, reinstall the affected app, or reset preferences by removing the preferences list. If syncing fails, pause and resume OneDrive or clear its cache. When issues persist, run the Microsoft Support Diagnostics or contact support with your account info and error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.